In this video, I'm going to show you the basic components of a tourniquet and how I fold it. Hello, my name is Ben and I'm the lead instructor for Trident Patriots USA. Alright, so the three tourniquets that I recommend in this order: Nipro 2, Siege, and Cat 7. And I will tell you in a different video why I recommend these three in the same exact order. But for now, let's get down to the different parts of the tourniquet. On the tourniquet, there will be a Velcro on the whole length of the tourniquet, okay? It never needs to be facing on the inside. It needs to be facing on the outside, okay? Never on the inside, always on the outside. This is the windlass. This is the stick that you need to twist to stop the bleeding and maintain the pressure on the tourniquet, okay? Here's the clip where you feed the strap through, just like this, okay? And tightening the windlass, there's a plastic catch to hold the pressure. This is the clip, okay? After you're done tightening it, it needs to maintain pressure. And the way to do that is to put it inside this clip. Just like that, okay? If it's trying to fight you, go where it's naturally going, okay? So if it's to the left, put it on the left side of the clip. If it's trying to go to the right, clip it on the right side. Just like that, okay? And then you have the white tab here. It's usually white, and it's for marking the time. Now, there are some tourniquets like the Nipro 2 tourniquet that has a green tab, but it has the same effect. You need to write down the time after you're done applying the tourniquet. Now, there are many ways to fold a tourniquet. This is just the method that I choose, okay? But before we start on that, I want to tell you two critical rules for a tourniquet. You never put the tourniquet on the neck, and you never put it on the joint, either the knee or the elbow. All right, so let's get down to how to fold a tourniquet. So go ahead and open the tourniquet fully like this. Okay, this will be facing down. Hold it by the clip, just like this. All right, the Velcro is facing out, not on the inside, but out, just like this. All right, next you will put it through this clip, like I mentioned earlier. And then you want to know how much you need to put through. This is a measurement that I use. The palm of your hand to your middle finger is about the width that you will need. So you can measure it by putting that red tab on the middle finger and then measuring it all the way to the bottom of your palm, okay? This is too long and it's past the palm. This is too short. As you can see, the clip is not at the bottom of the palm. So you need to lower it to the bottom of the palm like this, holding it with your fingers like this. For now, this is a little difficult to gauge, so you need to use the palm method, okay? In the future, you can just look at it and be like, oh, that's about the right length. Okay, so after that, you need to attach the Velcro to the Velcro like this, okay? Velcro on the Velcro. Remember, this whole thing is made out of Velcro. And so then you need to just apply the Velcro onto the Velcro all the way through, and they stick together just like that, all right? So now you have a loop with the tourniquet. Now, the next step, you'll need to flip the tourniquet upside down, all right, from your previous position, and hold it by the top of the tab, just like this, all right? The tab is up here. This is the rest of the tourniquet, okay? Now, on the back, you'll notice that there's a Velcro, right? Remember, Velcro on Velcro makes it stick together. So all you need to do is put the Velcro on top of the Velcro, just like that, and put it together, okay? It's sticky, okay? So now you have a tourniquet just like this, and it's folded this way. So now what you can do, you can put your hands through this first loop just like this, and you can snap it open like this. And then you can put it on your arm or your leg or wherever you need to put it on. All right. So again, that's the way that I fold a tourniquet, and there's different methods of doing it. So whichever one is best fit for you. Also, if you're a soldier, sometimes it's okay to burn this part of the Velcro off so that it's not sticky, right? So when it's time, you can just pull it off whenever you need to, all right? I hope you learned something new today, and in the next video, I will show you how to apply the tourniquet properly.